আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আমরা আপনাদের সামনে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিংয়ের একটা টুলস নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। এটা হচ্ছে MTM, মেথড টাইম মেজারমেন্ট। তো MTMটা আসলে কি, MTM কোথা থেকে এসেছে এবং কীভাবে এটার কার্যকারিতা বা কীভাবে এটা কাজ করে। প্লিজ ফলোইং আওয়ার ভিডিও অ্যান্ড সি all of release, move, grab, raise. Then general information, please seeing that and reading or listening properly. Methods: time measurement. MTM is a production management tool from production process design and labor science to optimize cost and production, already from production creation to factory and work planning, and then also in the subsequent stages of the value chain. The development of the MTM system began in the 1914 in the USA with the intention of creating a system of predetermined times for the planning and evaluation of production process. The opposite or others approach to process optimization is time recording, especially characterized by the REFA approach. General information. MTM features. MTM feature means the use of suitable method and tools, standardized of production with consistent data concepts as well as through provision of the time standards based on standardized reference performance. MTM methodology is used to plan manual work process, mainly in industrial manufacturing, especially in mass or large scale production. It is important to determine during the planning phase how much time a person needs for certain activities. When using the MTM method of plant process insufficient, no real existing process is required. In contrast to time recording by means of a stopwatch, MTM approach, all movement performed by humans are traced back to certain basic movements for which the required time is known. Target times. The work process is divided into individual movement elements such as retching, gossiping, braining, and joining, releasing, walking, bending, stopping, visual control, etc. According to these basic movements elements, empirically determined times are stored in table, mostly depending on future parameters such as the distance covered in the movement. MTM approach. Methods time measurement. Method determines the time. MTM is the predetermined motion time system. Predetermined motion time system are methods to dismantle and assign norms value to them. A separate distributions time considerations per degree do not have to be considered here, as for example with the time recordings. The times are determined by empirical studies in a catalog. MTM purpose. Three purposes of MTM: design of the work system, time determination, work instruction. So firstly, design of the work system. Planning of the operating process, improvement of the operating process, design of tool and equipment, design of manufacture. Time determination. Create of target time, determination of standard time for performance related salaries, pre-costing calculation. Work instruction. Description of the operating process for education and instruction material. Instruction can be based of continuous improvement and standard work. MTM approach, movement analysis. Decomposition of the movement sequence into movement elements, example reaching down. Time analysis. Determination of the time influencing variables for its individual movement elements. Length of movement, weight of part. Coding. Coding of the movement elements and the influencing variables. Withdrawal. The elementary movement time from tables. Addition of the elementary times to the searched basic movement time. Fundamental motion. 5 fundamental motion of the figure, hand and arm system. Release, raise, grasp, move, position. Motion cycle. Move. Fundamental motion. 3 additional fundamental motion of the finger, hand, arm system. Apply, pressure. Turn, disengage. Fundamental motion. 2 fundamental motion of the eye travel. Eye focus. Fundamental motions. Body movement without shift of body exists, with shift of body exists, with inclination of body exists. Foot motion, leg motion, side step, turn body, walk. Bend, arise the bend, stop, arise the stop. Canal on the knee, arise from canal on the knee, canal on the both knee, arise from canal on both knees. Sit, stand. MTM approach. Which is the chart of MTM approach. MTM approach sample card. MTM approach calculated sample calculation. MTM result. MTM learning process. The performance of simple motion such as raise and move can hardly be improved by means of additional turning. Difficult motions such as grasp and position are available for training and can thereby be improved. MTM application, mass production in large batches, limited product variety, short cyclical workflow, exactly defined basic conditions, experienced highly trained employees, orchestration with a detailed oriented design. MTM advantage. MTM disadvantage. The implementation of MTM conclusion, experience. Thank you everyone.